morning. Let me take this off. Good morning and welcome back to another vlog. My name is Tahita. If you're new here, I am a compliance analyst as well as a content creator here on YouTube as well as on Instagram. Yeah, so today is day 4 of Vlogmas. I still have to upload vlog, or day 3 of Vlogmas, so that's going up. I have a bunch of self-care stuff that I want to do today. I want to do some skincare. I want to wax my brows. I need to get these nails completely off and redone, and then I also need to clean up and tidy up the house a bit. So yeah, and we might go to dinner later, so I think I have a packed day. Anyways, I'm gonna make myself some coffee. If you watched yesterday's vlog, which is the vlog that I'm posting today, then you would have noticed that I got some new pods, so I'm gonna try that out and see how I like them. Well, not all of them. I'm gonna try one and the hubby's gonna try another one. Hey y'all, I know this lighting is horrible, but I am headed to the store. I'm gonna stop at this small little grocery store that's not too far from the house. I just don't feel like, what am I trying to say? I don't feel like going far. I don't feel like running around. Really, if I'm being honest, I'm only really going for one item, but I can pick up a few things. So I asked him, I'd be like, oh, what do you want? He wants olive mix, and then they have some chocolate that I like, even though I really don't need it. I don't. I'll probably get some more cheese chips because y'all remember the Cheetos that I got the other day at Walgreens? I maxed those last night. I just been craving cheese chips. It's so weird. But yeah, so I'll probably get some more chips, some savory snacks, because I have a lot of sweet stuff in the house right now. And then I'll probably get some Malamutina for the hubby. He likes that dry ass wine. I'll show you guys when I get back home what I get. But yeah, there's a specific type of wine that this store carries. It's a Greek wine and he loves it, but I can't get into it. It's way too dry for my liking. Y'all, I feel like my lips are so chapped. Hoping I have some, damn, that was a wide ass turn. Hoping I have some chapstick in here. But yeah, I am headed to the store like I said, and then I will probably, then I'm gonna go back home, and then I am probably going to do my nails because I was able to soak it off, but I didn't do anything yet. So when I get back home, I'll probably just go ahead and do my nails. If I wasn't going to dinner tonight, then I probably would just wait, but I don't want to go with my nails like this, so there's that. Okay guys, so I'm back home and just wanted to show you guys the Malamatino wine. Like I said, it's a Greek wine and it's super duper dry. So if you're into dry wines, you can kind of Google it and see if you have any stores that carry this in your area. It's fairly inexpensive as well, but obviously it's not your typical looking wine bottle. How much liters is this? 500 milliliters, so yeah.
We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, be like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby, I was hoping maybe that you cross my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move.
Hello and good morning. So it is the following day and I'm actually just hopping on to close off the vlog because yesterday those martinis that you saw, they were strong. Okay, I had 1.5 martinis and I was gone. By the time we got home, at first I sat down because I had a load of clothes that I left in the washer, so I put that in the dryer. I opened the advent calendar, gave Lola her treat. I was talking to my friends and then I was like, I feel like I need to throw up. And it was downhill from there. So yeah, that's why the vlog ended at dinner. But I just wanted to formally close out and tell you guys thank you so much for watching. If you've been watching my other videos, my previous videos, you'll know that I have a goal and I'm trying to get to 3,500 subscribers by the end of the year. So if you would do me the biggest favor and just hit that subscribe button so that I could get that number to go up, I would greatly appreciate it. But yeah, so that's it guys. Thank you for all of your love and support. Until the next video, bye.
Better if I go, I'm not home.